Whenever you have a missing tooth, the number one recommendations by dentists are dental implants. However, we frequently get these questions from the patient that is the implant procedure really painful? How much would it hurt? When will we get back to the normal routine? So the fact is, implants are not that painful a procedure. Obviously, it's a surgical procedure, but before we start any procedure, the patient is explained about it and the area in concern is made numb by local anesthesia. If patient is anxious, we can also do this procedure under oral sedations, conscious sedation, which will make the patient very comfortable. So once the area concerned is numb, patient will not feel any pain during the procedure. Post procedure, a set of medications are prescribed to relieve pain and discomfort, and patient can normally go back to their working normal life the next day after placement of implants.